calling case number 240-572-4801. This is the case of the people of the state of Michigan versus Desmond Burks, charged with count 1, homicide, murder in the second degree with an habitual offender, fourth offense notice. I'm also calling case number 240-572-4801. In that case, that is the people of the state of Michigan versus Desmond Burks, charged with count 1, homicide, murder in the first degree, premeditated, count 2, homicide, felony murder, count 3, larceny of $20,000 or more, count 4, computers using to commit a crime, count 5, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 6, weapons, felony, firearms, second offense, count 7, weapons, felony, firearms, second offense, count 8, weapons, felony, firearm, second offense, with an habitual offender, fourth offense notice. This is the date and time set for competency hearing regarding both of these matters. Will the parties please identify themselves for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Lisa Lindsay on behalf of the people of the state of Michigan, P number 39570, and I will be also accompanied by Mike Glenn.
And good morning, Your Honor. Bobby Silver appearing on behalf of Desmond Burks, who I see is appearing via Zoom video from the Wayne County Jail. For purposes of this hearing, we have no objection to appearing via Zoom.
All right.
Mr. Burks, can you tell the judge your name, please?
Desmond Burks.
As it relates to this matter, Judge, we do have a forensic center report from the CRE finding Mr. Burks competent. We had an independent evaluation done as well. That evaluation also found Mr. Burks competent. So we are prepared to schedule exam dates.
All right. So obviously the parties are stipulating to the finding that Mr. Burks has been found to be competent to stand trial. I'm just going to ask for the record. I'm assuming both of the parties are going to stipulate to that finding.
Yes, Your Honor. On behalf of the defense as to both matters, we stipulate to those findings.
All right.
Yes, people stipulate us well.
All right. So with that, Attorney Silver and Attorney Lindsay, in terms of preference, are you trying to do the exam for the case ending in 801 first?
I don't have the case numbers in front of us, Judge. Is that the charge of murder too?
Yes. 801 is with the homicide second degree.
Okay. So I think that case, as I understand the proofs in that case, should take about a half a day to do the preliminary exam.
Okay.
So that would be much easier to schedule. The people have indicated they need 3 or 4 days to present the case as it relates to the second matter. So if we could, yeah.
I believe we are all available on May 2nd to do the murder in the second degree case.
Okay, so we have to go to another week. We can't use that week.
Oh,
Okay. Can I make a suggestion again?
Yeah.
And that would be, myself and the prosecution have communicated regarding dates. Ms. Riddle, can we get maybe on a phone call with you this afternoon and do that?
That's fine.
Okay. Can you put a number that we can reach you at and we'll call you this afternoon?
Yes.
Instead of taking up valuable time trying to sort this through.
but just for clarity, what week looks like a good week for the court so I can start trying to clear my schedule?
I was gonna actually try to fit you guys in this month for that one second degree murder. This month, good month.
I'm sorry, what did you say? Somebody walked in my.
I was trying to do the second degree murder. I was gonna do that this month. Is it not a good month?
It'll depend on.
I was looking at the 25th at 1:30.
Let you know on the phone call this afternoon. I don't have Mr. Glynn's schedule.
Okay. Other than that, April is pretty much open after the first week.
Okay, we'll call you.
Okay.
All right, so we'll arrange the dates later this afternoon, but is there anything else you two want to raise?
Yes, sir. I believe that basically just for the record, we have to put the finding, even though we said he was competent on the record, we have to put the finding, on the record that he was in fact understands the proceedings against him, and basically just put the last paragraph of the findings of Dr. Rodriguez, where he says, in sum, I could find no mental condition impairing Mr. Burks' capacity to proceed with this case at this time. Based on this and the statutory presumption of competence, it is my opinion that Mr. Burks is competent to stand trial. And as it relates to the opinion of Dr. Bransky, Bransky found in regards to the issue of competency, Desmond Burks has demonstrated adequate knowledge of the criminal process and the role of participants. Furthermore, I find he is able to participate in the legal proceedings in a meaningful way. His ability to understand, acquire information, and process concepts is intact. In summary, Mr. Burks appears to meet the threshold of competency as set forth by the current standards. So with those findings being put on the record, I believe that satisfies the issue.
All right, and I guess just to add a little.
That's fine, but that's fine.
All right. I was just going to add, of course, Attorney Lindsay, the first report that you read from was from I believe Dr. Karina Rodriguez from the Center for Forensic Psychiatry. That was the initial report from December 3rd of 2024. The subsequent report that you just read was from Dr. Tara Bramsky from February 20th of 2025. Am I correct?
Correct.
All right. All right. Anything further?
Nothing. Will be in touch with your clerk this afternoon, and hopefully we'll get some dates pretty soon.
All right. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Enjoy more of our videos on the Community Advocate Network channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you would like to advertise your service, special announcement, or event, you may contact us at the Community Advocate Network at gmail.com. For community resources or services, visit our website at www.canmichigan.com.